Hello guys, welcome to the Yas English YouTube channel once again. Today I am going to break down 6 basic English mistakes we do as a beginner in our daily life. So, if you say these sentences, you are making big mistakes in English. Let's fix them fast. So, we have mistake number 1 on the screen. Stop saying this, I did a mistake. Instead, say this, I made a mistake. We use make, not do here. We have mistake number 2 on the screen, and this is very common. Stop saying she don't like coffee. Say this will be right in your English, and she does not like coffee. We have mistake number 3 on the screen. Never say I am agree, just only say I agree. Its explanation will be this: no am needed. No only, just say I agree. No am needed. We have mistake number 4 on the screen, and this one is very simple, but many peoples get it wrong. Don't say, never say he go to school daily. Instead, you can say this: he goes to school daily. Add s with he, she, or it. We have mistake number 5 you are watching on the screen. After did not, never use past tense. I did not understood. You can use I did not understand. Use first form of the verb. Use base form. Understand. We have mistake number 6 on the screen. I am having a car. Never say this. Never say this. You can say this: I have a car. This sounds strange to native speakers. You have, not am having. Be honest, which one were you saying wrong from all these 6 mistakes we do in our daily life? And comment below, and don't worry, you are learning English.